How to get Google Play Store on Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to get your Google Play Store in your Chromebook, you have come to the right place because I'm gonna show you just that. So in order to get the Play Store in your Chromebook, all you have to do is just on your search bar, just search for Google Play Store and click enter, and you will see this first link on the top. Just click on it, and once you open your Google Play Store, just click on the three dot at the corner, and from there just go to more tools, and now just click on create shortcuts, and now just remove everything for Google Play just like that, and after that just check the box called open as window, and after that just click on create, and now another Play Store window will pop up, and this Play Store will be added to your apps, and this is how you will be able to get your Play Store on your Chromebook. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.